There are many uh, types of input. Control K, Control C. Like you can use input type date, for example. This is date, so here you can choose a date, 24th, 25th, or even you can go January 1st. So this is a type. Another one interesting is input type file. Okay, so whenever you click whenever you declare input type file, you can always get that kind of button which will say choose file, and then you can upload the file or image like this. Then you have another one which is month, for example, input type month. So here you can only choose month, not the dates. For example, it will automatically whatever the date you choose of that specific month, it will choose the whole month. Like if for example I choose 12th September, it will choose the whole month. If you go back, go in February 6th, it will choose the whole month. You have, what else we have week as well, which is very interesting. Let me put a break here. Week in input type week. So for example, if you choose 9, it will choose the whole week. If you choose February as month and the second week, it will choose the whole week. What else you have type password as well. So type password, input type password. So whatever you type in this text box, it will not display like this. So this is a secure way to type your password. You have also input type as a complete date, input type date. Here you can choose a date, it will choose the month and year as well. So this is very handy. You have another one which is number. It will only accept a number, input type number. You cannot type any character except number. So 1 2 3, whatever you type, it will not accept the special character, nothing, only numbers. So it is doing data validation by, it is being done by HTML itself. This is how you can use